And for the last session, we have PSKK Brawijaya University. Without any further ado, we would like to welcome to stage Bapak Muhammad Fatoni from Brawijaya University.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I would to introduce. My name is Muhammad Fatoni from the Center of Excellency Earth and Disaster in Brawijaya University. I would like to explain about our program in PSKK in Brawijaya University about in disaster. So we have a profile, maybe in bahasa Indonesia. Okay, my leader is Prof. Hadi Susilo and the secretary is Ibu Turnintias, and also I have the member in Pusat Studi Kebencanaan dan Kebumian. Baik Bapak Ibu, kami akan menjelaskan sedikit dengan Pusat Studi Kebumian dan Kebencanaan Universitas Brawijaya di Malang. Di Malang adalah kota yang dekat dengan pegunungan, terutama di Bromo, Tegar, Semeru, Pegunungan Arjuna dan sebagainya. Next, ini daftar isinya nanti bisa di-download Bapak Ibu terkait dengan konten. We have e-book about our Center of Disaster in Brawijaya University. Next, and we have history about Center of Disaster in Brawijaya University in 2006. Jadi pada tahun 2006, sebelum BNPB berdiri. Jadi 2006 kita sudah melakukan aksi nyata dengan Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi. Ya. Next, beberapa dosen yang ada yang di berbagai fakultas di Universitas Brawijaya dengan visi menjadikan pusat studi yang aktif dan memahami dan menyelesaikan permasalahan kebumian dan kebencanaan di Indonesia. Jadi kita punya vision, our vision to be Center of Excellence of Disaster in East Java, Indonesia, to solve the problem about geological and also about disaster in Indonesia. And our mission to achieve the morality and also awareness about disaster in Indonesia, to organize collaboration, coordination, stakeholder in Brawijaya University. And then achievement, the goal to be center of 7 interdiscipline strategies for disaster in Indonesia, to be innovative, idea creative, and then to organize disaster in Indonesia, especially in Java, and then to improve competency about publication in disaster, and then to be network in Java about disaster and reference about geological and disaster. Jadi visi kami menjadikan pusat studi yang aktif dalam memahami dan menyelesaikan permasalahan kebumian dan kebencanaan dengan misi membangkitkan kekuatan moral, mengorganisasi kerjasama dengan tujuannya sebagai perguruan tinggi pendidikan, penelitian dan pengabdian masyarakat. Kemudian kita mengorganisir ahli kebencanaan dan meningkatkan kompetensi serta menjadikan simbol jejaring pemikiran akademik dan referensi mengenai kebencanaan dan kebumian di Indonesia. Next, ini struktur organisasi. Ketuanya, leadernya adalah Prof. Hadi dan sekretarisnya Ibu Turnintias. Ada divisi pemetaan kawasan bencana, ada divisi teknologi peringatan dini, ada divisi kesehatan dan psikologi. Kebetulan saya mewakili. Kemudian divisi rehabilitasi dan rekonstruksi, divisi sosial dan budaya. Next, ini beberapa divisi yang sudah ada. Divisi pemetaan untuk mengkaji dan menyediakan kawasan rawan bencana terutama di Kota Malang, Malang Raya hingga Jawa Timur, dengan menggambarkan wilayah mana yang memiliki potensi bencana prosentasenya terhadap wilayah lain. Kemudian ada divisi rehabilitasi dan rekonstruksi, termasuk Jitu Pasna, termasuk juga di sini pengkajian dampak-dampak 3P, R3P. Next. Di sini ada divisi teknologi peringatan dini, early warning system, kemudian divisi sosial dan budaya, dan yang terakhir adalah divisi kesehatan dan psikologi. Ini adalah penting sekali bagaimana konsultasi dan advokasi pengurus pusat, kepala markas dalam penyelenggaraan pelayanan kesehatan di daerah rawan bencana, terutama pada saat tanggap darurat bencana. Ya, nanti beberapa contoh kegiatan kami. Tidak hanya teori-teori, tidak hanya wacana-wacana saja, tidak hanya doktrin saja, tetapi kita implementasi langsung di masyarakat. Next. Ini anggota pusat studi cukup banyak, ada 20 orang. Next. Lebih, ya, bertambah menjadi 30 orang. Next. Nah, ini kerjasama, we have collaboration and coordination with BNPB, also with BPBD in East Java. In Pasuruan, Probolinggo, Blitar, Pacitan, Sampang, Malang, Batu City, and also in Malang. And our program in the picture below, that we have socialization about rehabilitation after disaster in Malang City. Next. Ini kegiatan kerjasama sejak tahun 2016 sampai tahun 2022. Yang terbaru kita dengan Anambas. In the US, we have some collaboration and some joint research with Anambas. Anambas is near Singapore, near Natuna, in Kepulauan Rio Island. Next. Juga beberapa kerjasama, tidak hanya di bidang kebencanaan, ada kerjasama juga dengan kawasan kumuh, the poverty, ya. Kerjasama juga dengan geologi and geofisika. We have some collaboration with geological and also geophysical. Next. Dari pandemi COVID-19, ya, beberapa kegiatan kita tidak langsung menggunakan webinar, ya. When pandemic, we have webinar series. In the title is named Pendekar Sejati from October until November 2020. Pendekar Sejati is how to resilient the family. Yeah. We have pendekar like silat, ya. Jadi seperti silat, ya. Jadi pendidikan, edukasi, dan ketangguhan dalam keluarga menghadapi bencana, terutama COVID. We have 5 series webinar. Also we have invite like from BNPB, the secretary, Mr. Lili Kurniawan. Also we have some academic. Also we have some doctor, some implementation volunteer to implementation in the people in the disaster area. Next, we have some activity in research, in service for the people, also in publication. We have some publication in Index Corpus, Thomas Ritter, and etc. Dan terakhir kami berada di Sentul, Bogor. Jadi ada pertemuan ilmiah tahunan. Annually research in IAB in Bogor, PT ke-6. Next. This our team research. We have the title of research, joint research with BNPB, with from our foundation from BNPB, also from our faculty, also from Dikti, Indonesian Higher Education. Next. This is our research. Next. Okay, next. This is the service for the people in Malang area, also in the Java. Next. Jadi ada pengabdian masyarakat di berbagai daerah, baik itu di Malang, Jawa Timur, dan di Indonesia. Next lagi. This in Kampung Warna-Warni. Yeah. In Malang is called the color of Kampung. The colors of Kampung Warna-Warni, because they host not only white but like the rainbow. The rainbow. This very amazing. Yeah. Also, we have some using batik, yeah, to improve how the UMKM. Jadi kita gunakan batik untuk ininya, untuk ketika pandemi berlangsung. Next, termasuk pornografi, yang some education about pornography, how to educate the student about sexual. Yeah. Next, also we have some publication, many more publication. Next. This is the title of publication. Also, we have some like the Indonesian Green Technology Journal Index, Copernicus International, Google Scholar, IOP Publishing, International Journal of Applied Engineering. Next, International Journal is in Geomed, Special Issues in Science, Engineering, and Environment. IP Publishing, American Institute of Physics, IP Publishing. IE Explore. Next again. Before. Also in International Journal of Disaster and Fund. Next. I think a lot we have publication. Next. Okay. Next again. We have some documentation of our activity in our university, in the Center of Disaster in Brawijaya University. Next, this the sign of MOU with BNPB 2015, and we have to review MOU our university with BNPB. Next, also we have some simulation, volunteer simulation with multi-helix in disaster in Brawijaya University, and also we have BBD Probolinggo. Next, also we have Jakarta Disaster Software Competition. You can see how many here. Also we have Jakarta Smart Disaster Software Competition. We are the winner for the program for this. Next, also we have some invitation to attachment in BNPB with Mr. Wisnu, the condolence of Mr. Wisnu. Next, also we have how to implement early warning system in the rural area and the prone of disaster area in Pacitan. Because the mega trust can happen in the Pacitan. We implement to take early warning system, tsunami. Next. Also we have some activities with Insyaallah Asia Pacific exercise with many countries, around 80 countries in Jogja. Next. Also we have how to be the student of disaster talk. Ya. Jadi pengukuhan mahasiswa tangguh bencana, dan sekarang sudah dikukuhkan menjadi kampus tangguh bencana. Next, this is our before. Next, how to make document about master plan in the disaster prone area in Probolinggo. Yeah. Next, this is how to make document operation in Mount Bromo eruption in 2015. Next. Also, we have some to document for contingency disaster for the floods in Probolinggo. Next. Also, we have a survey geophysics magnetologic in the mud, in the mud in Sidoarjo. Not only disaster, but also we have a geological and geophysical survey. Next, we have a workshop to strengthen the management of our organization in the center of disaster in Brawijaya. About mitigation and how to management of disaster. Jadi penguatan manajemen organisasi di Pusat Studi Kebumian dan Mitigasi Bencana di Universitas Brawijaya. Next, not only in campus, we have also to educate the people in radio, from RRI, Indonesian Radio, and collaboration with BBD in Batu. Next, also like how to take the equipment about the rainy mission in Sampang. Also, we have how to take early warning system for flood in Probolinggo. Next, also we have some survey in the river of Kedung Larangan. This is Mr. Yoyo in Kedung Larangan. Big applause for Mr. Yoyo in Pasuruan, because we how to educate the people how to manage the floods every year to be happen, and how to reduce the flood like this. Next, this is our MOU with IAB Jatim, with the academic, also with IAB Jatim. Next, this joint convention center in Malang, how to like here, like we have both in here from Universitas Brawijaya. Next, also we have to send our volunteer in help and disaster area. Especially in Lombok, earthquake in Lombok. We have to send our volunteer from doctor, from nurse, and the recognized of Ministry of Health, also with World Health Organization. Next, this is a survey for the rock floods in Rekok, Pasuruan, to 2020. Next. This is the research annually in disaster in 2019 in Bogor. Also, like a batik for the ibu-ibu, the mothers in Pujon Kidul. Next, this to give mask, how to reduce the COVID-19 in Malang City. And hand sanitizer, also with food for the people. Next, like this, free for sanitation from School of Volunteer in Brawijaya. Next, and expedition Tanah Tsunami, we have collaboration with MDMC, Muhammadiyah Disaster Management Center. Next, also we have first aid and how to handle the snake bit, like this, with the formerly BNPB, the leader of BNPB, Prof. Samsul Marif. Next, and the coordination meeting, how to prepare our techniques. Next, okay, this our team, Profesor Adi Susilo. Next, Ibu Dr. Dornintias. Next, Mr. Dr. Fadli Usman. Next, and also me, Muhammad Fatoni. Next, Profesor Senario, Ibu Sumi Lestari. Next, this is our contact, website, phone, and so we have Instagram, Facebook, and email from our Center of Disaster in Brawijaya University. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you Pak Muhammad Fatomi from Brawijaya University for such an interesting presentation.